Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and happy Friday. We got some new tech in the building. Wanted to do a quick unboxing. So I had to break out the gloves, no human hands, and the camera. The no human hands thing is a little inside joke that I used to do with my friends. Whenever I got a new phone or new tech, I used to always open it up, put on a pair of gloves so I wouldn't touch it or get it dirty. So now I'm doing that here. No shame in my game. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, let's open this stuff up. None of this slow motion unboxing either. I'm gonna do this real fast. There they are, the Beats Fit Pro. I have the Beats Studio Buds here, AirPods 3 and AirPods Pro. Now, out of all the, if I were to rank which ones I like the best, as far as just listening to music, the Beats Studio Buds sound the best. When it comes to features, the AirPods Pro are the best. When it comes to just, throwing something in your ear, taking a phone call, taking a Zoom call or something, AirPods 3 are great. But a lot of people have said they can't get earbuds to stay in their ears. So Beats has added the H1 chip. They threw the fins on here. So basically these have all the same features as the AirPods Pro, but with the Beats sound profile, which I'm really looking forward to. AirPods 3, AirPods Pro don't really have a lot of bass. So if you like your, and not only for music, but also for movies. When I went to Hawaii, had a 5-hour flight. On the way home, I was listening to King Kong, Godzilla vs. King Kong, and it sounded great on the Beats Studio Bud because it had more bass. So I'm hoping that same profile comes over here to the Beats Fit Pro. And I'm actually gonna try to do a workout in these and see how they feel. So review coming soon. Anyway, take care and have a great weekend.